Spinal reflex therapy is a progressive soft tissue neurological treatment that is very much like a deeply relaxing massage, but actually creates profound results in your anatomy and your overall posture. So spinal reflex therapy actually works by addressing the axial spinal reflex, and this is a natural defense mechanism in everyone's body that can be fired due to some sort of an accident or trauma, or even just some of our daily life activities. And what can happen is this reflex gets locked on and then becomes the spondylogenic reflex syndrome. And this causes a specific pattern of muscles to engage and stay constantly firing in an attempt to actually stabilize your spine. And this can create a lot of dysfunction, issues with tracking in the hips, knees, and other joints, and a lot of pain. So this treatment is amazing for anyone who has had chronic pain concern, but also even professional athletes or people who are looking to increase their endurance and their performance. Sure. So one of the biggest complaints that I hear about massage therapy is that the results are so short-lived. And spinal reflex therapy actually can create very long-lasting outcomes, and it actually addresses the postural imbalances that create trigger points, pain, lactic acid buildup, and nerve impingements.
I've had neck pain for quite a while, and I've actually tried a bunch of things, including chiropractic, acupuncture, then Rolfing and Alexander technique. And somehow my wife found out about Larissa and SRT, and we gave it a try. And it's been working really, really well for me. My neck has never felt better.
With the first treatment, I felt immediate relief, and I signed up for 10 sessions with Larissa. As we progressed, both she and I could see improvement in my back, my posture, and just the quality of my life. Well, Larissa is very warm, welcoming, listens to whatever complaint you have or problem area that you have, and is eager to address the problem without making you feel like you're just complaining. She wants to help you. She wants you to feel better as quickly as possible and hopefully have long-term results as a result. Well, I already have recommended Larissa to my friends, and one of them comes to her now. And I have other friends who just over the course of the past couple of weeks have complained about different back issues. And I say, well, Larissa is a miracle worker for me, and hopefully she can help you with your back issues. Maybe.
Although I'm not really sure how to name all the procedures she was doing, it was very helpful, and it will relieve the pain quite a bit. The results have been fantastic. We worked on all the issues that I had when they were most severe, and after every session, the pain would go away, and it will be kept away for a long periods of time. Oh, fantastic! Larissa is incredible. She's very nice, very friendly, very accommodating. Every session I've had with her has been nothing but amazing and just warm, and she's very helpful. And just the fact that after every session you feel much better, it's quite the experience. That she's fantastic, and they absolutely need to see her when they have a problem.
There was one specific issue I had it's TMJ issue. It's honestly, in terms of changing life, it's made work a lot easier. It's made just day-to-day life, the things you don't really think about this joint affecting, it really does. It affects you just day to day, and it's just sort of made life easier. Explained to her my situation, the TMJ problems, and her first thing was, oh, we need to do this oral treatment if that's okay with you. which of course it was. I mean, I didn't even have to mention it. So she not only has the skill to do it, but the knowledge. I mean, she just knew exactly what I needed before I even said anything to her. Yeah, I mean, very satisfied, and especially, you know, someone like me, I don't have a lot of experience with massage therapy in general. Didn't, you know, and it sort of felt last ditch when my doctor recommended it. It wasn't even something I thought of. To me, massages, things like that, feel like luxuries, and you don't realize the science and really the medicine behind it. And Larissa really does, and she has that knowledge and those skills. So just a month later, and I've been seeing her for a couple of months now, but the drastic improvement, it really should have been like the first stop I made. It should have been the first thing I did, because it's been the only thing that made the difference. So I would definitely recommend Larissa. Her skills are off the chart. Her knowledge is off the chart. She really knows what she's doing, and she just she has so much confidence. She exudes that confidence and makes you feel so comfortable in knowing that she's just doing all the things she can that are best for you and for your condition. And her scope of services are so out there, like anybody. She can treat anybody with anything, it seems. And she would be my first recommendation to anyone with any problem.